How does correlation work in numbers and statistics? Have you ever wondered how two things can be connected through numbers? Today, we will look at correlation and how it plays a role in statistics. Correlation is a way to measure the relationship between two variables. It helps us understand how one variable changes when another one does. At the heart of correlation is a number called the correlation coefficient. This number can range from -1 to +1. A positive correlation means that when one variable goes up, the other does too. For example, if you study more hours, your grades might improve. On the other hand, a negative correlation indicates that when one variable increases, the other decreases. An example of this could be the relationship between the amount of time spent watching television and physical fitness. When the correlation coefficient is close to 0, it suggests that there is little or no relationship between the two variables. To visualize this relationship, a scatter diagram is often used. This graph plots the values of the two variables on horizontal and vertical axes. If the points form an upward slope, that indicates a positive correlation. A downward slope shows a negative correlation, while a random scatter suggests no correlation at all. The most common method to measure correlation is Pearson's correlation coefficient. This method looks at the strength and direction of a linear relationship between two interval or ratio variables. It is important to note that this coefficient does not imply that one variable causes the other to change. It only shows that they vary together in some way. There are other types of correlation coefficients as well. For instance, Spearman's correlation works with ranked data and is useful for ordinal or skewed variables. Kendall's correlation measures the strength of dependence between datasets. Understanding correlation is essential in everyday life. It helps us interpret data patterns, such as how temperature might relate to altitude or how different economic indicators move together. By grasping these relationships, we can make better decisions based on the numbers we observe. In summary, correlation provides a clear numerical summary of how two variables change in relation to each other. It helps us uncover connections within numerical data and statistics, making sense of the world around us.